this is Susie. I'm going to give you an update on 3 of the things I've been working on. I've been working on the countertops, the bed platform, the shower pan, and I've helped Charles a little bit with the roof deck on top of the van. And thank you for watching. First off, this is the countertop. This is my design, whether it looks good or not, this is how I wanted it. And this is the Julka faucet and a Julka shower head. The shower pan is going to be right here in my bed platform, and we're going to have a curtain, and we can just, we're going to have a hose, and the shower's going to be right there.
So Susie's doing great. She's got the second bed platform done. You can see she's got all the piano hinges on there, and the holes cut, finger holes to lift up. And so that one's got 3 boxes. This one's got 4, and that's what she's dealing with right now. Tell us what's going on, Susie.
I'm putting Alex Fast Dry on the cracks, which aren't big cracks, and I may or may not need to do it. I don't know.
We overdo everything.
Right.
So why are you putting caulk in here? That seems silly.
Because Big Logan did.
Oh, Big Logan, and this is a shower pan.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're caulking that in. Move that piece of paper, they can see the drain hole, just so they can see it. There it is. It hasn't been cut out yet. I'm holding off on that. So Susie is caulking this all in, and then she's going to put, what are you going to use to waterproof those walls?
Flex Seal.
Flex Seal, she's as seen on TV.
As seen on TV.
Right. And so tell them what you did. You made walls inside here?
Yes. I made, well, this had a lip on it.
Yeah.
So I put, first you have to build a frame to hold these. And then put them on.
She got ahead of me. I didn't get that.
Yeah.
But anyway, she's making it work. She's using some of the wood that's left over here. We're trying to be as frugal as possible. And so I will leave you alone because I need to get outside before I lose my sunny day. Go ahead.
I'm mad at you because you got goopy stuff on the thing, but it's hard not to.
It's really hard. So it's not just a guy thing.
I need more paper towel.
I will get you some.
Ah, thanks.
You're looking good there.
Thanks. I'm taping off the plastic before I do the Flex Seal because it probably won't matter, but it said some plastics it does not adhere to.
Right, but
so if it's this plastic, I don't want to paint and then have it peel off or
right. So you'll just do the Flex Seal down to the tape and we'll be good.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So your plan is to just paint with a paintbrush in the corners, correct?
Yeah. And then roller the rest of it.
So this is Flex Seal. Looks like she's painting paint on, but it will make this box waterproof.
Super thick.
Yeah. This will be our waterproof box, and then I need to cut a hole for the drain.
It doesn't smell very good.
Yeah. Alright, I'll check in with you.
Okie dokie.
Let the waterproofing begin. Well, you've already started a little bit. How many coats do you think you'll be putting on there, Mrs. Moman?
Well, I'm guessing 2, but I mean, it can't hurt.
Yeah.
I put at least 3 on the countertop.
So it's just basically painting on like paint. Well, I haven't left the garage. And I look over and you're done. First coat, way to go. Looks good. Alright, Susie, so tell us what's going on right now.
I thought you were taking a picture.
I'm not taking a picture.
Well, this is the countertop for the sink, and I'm putting a backsplash on it. And my bed is going to be here.
Yeah.
And I don't want water and stuff being sloshed around. I know I'm probably going to do it that way. Keep apples from rolling off into the steps on this side. But I might also, like, not this piece, but
put a little edge.
Put an edge all the way down, which I'm trying to decide which looks better or which will function better.
Now wait a minute. take everything off. I thought you had we had a problem because the board wasn't long enough.
Oh, yeah. Well, I just took more of this, and since glue is stronger than wood, I glued.
So, if somebody didn't really know, they wouldn't realize. Go like this. Show us how wide the wood is that you glued in.
Right here's the. See, this has been polyurethane, but this wood has not yet.
Yeah. So
I sanded it. I sanded all the polyurethane off the end because you don't want to put wood glue on polyurethane.
Right. Just tell us about this one. It looks so nice. You still have some routing to do on the edges.
Yeah. So when I added extra wood and went like this, and then when I put it on, it didn't seem quite like it. I wanted more of a lip in the front for water to drip off of. So I thought, well, I'll just take this wood and set it down here. But now I need to cut these. They're too tall.
Yeah. So where you're standing is where the refrigerator is.
Yeah.
And if you wanted to, we talked about you building a small cabinet right behind you.
Yeah, I could make the cabinet come down.
To add some space.
I want to stand in front of the heater.
Oh. Not surprising. You're doing great. She's been doing stuff and then bringing it in and showing me. Yeah. You're doing great.
I like to be out here.
So why aren't you out in your garage, Susie Moman?
Well, it's chilly. It's not warm enough for the glue, although I've gotten glue down to 50, but it says 50 degrees.
Yeah.
And I got a feeling it'll work, but I just didn't want to.
So what's happening here?
Push it. Well, everything we plan, we redo. And so I planned to do just that coming down.
Wait, hold.
This.
They can't really see that. Yeah, you were just going to do the triangle piece, okay?
But then I wanted no water to come over here, so I was going to do this. And I had this piece, and so I just thought, well, I'll do it this way. And now I think I'm just going to do it this way and leave it.
2 rectangle pieces like that.
Yeah, we can just put a towel here when we wash dishes.
Oh, we filmed this before, and it seemed like you were implying that there was someone, not you, who would be in the van that might be careless with water.
All over when they wash dishes.
Well, at least I wash dishes. Okay. Well, it's looking beautiful. We're not staining it. I wasn't convinced, but I now like it. We just left it. This is wood from Home Depot, and she just is doing polyurethane, and it looks great. So now she needs to get that front, the drawer pull on, and we're getting close on this one. All right. You're doing good.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's 19 degrees out there. I'm not sure I'm going to go out and work on the roof rack either. We'll see.
So I'm going to have a really busy week, and that was our update. I'm going to probably be working on cabinets, upper cabinets, and I have an idea in my head, and we'll see how it turns out. And Charles is probably going to be working more on the roof deck. Thanks for watching.